Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning. Today we will continue our lecture, our discussion. Yeah. Let me share the slide. Okay. Okay. Could you see the slide?
Yes, sir.
Okay. 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 Today we will discuss regarding the functional programming and introduction to Haskell. But maybe today we'll try to install the Haskell, because some part of the installation process is not, I think, needs more attention. Yeah. So now I would like to try to explain how to install the Haskell in our computer. Yeah. And then after that we will try to write a simple code in Haskell. So the Haskell is kind of programming language that implements functional programming. Yeah. So different way, the common programming, actually the functional programming is try to simplify, try to simplify how to arrange, how to create the code. Because the syntax is trying to minimize the number of steps. So in the functional programming tries to simplify the step. And then we can find the step maybe is similar with our method, our method to solve the problem. Yeah. So before we go through to the functional programming, now we will try to install the facility or the program that we can use to implement the functional programming concept. So how to start for installing the program that can be used to implement the functional programming. The program name is Haskell. So we can start from the page or from the its website. So let we so this is the website of Haskell, and then we go through the this download links, and then there are some options that can select, depend on the operating system that that currently use. That if you use Linux, so you have to choose this option. In the other case, if we use Windows, then we have to select this option, the last option. Here I use Windows, so we can select this menu. So before we can install the Haskell, we need to install this kind of uh, software or program that can help us to install another software. Maybe we can compare this software, namely Cocoletti, Cocoletti, a similar way such as Pipe, PIP, uh, that can be used to install the other software. So uh, so what is the first step that we have to do? First, we have to run the PowerShell, the Windows PowerShell. Okay. Okay. So and we can go through this corner, and then we can find the software here. Maybe we can type Windows PowerShell, and then don't directly click the option. You have to right click, and then choose the menu of run as administrator. Okay, and then we can put agree, yes. Then we can see this is the windows of Windows PowerShells, and then our position as an administrator. And then what's next? We have to follow this instruction in the website of Cocoletti. Yeah. So we have to follow this one. We can run this instruction first. Okay. And then there is a notification restricted, and then as explained in this website, if restricted, then we have to run this instruction, another instruction. We select set execution policy, all sign here, copy, and then right click to paste. And then you can just give yes to all. That's all. And then after that, we copy this instruction to install the Coco, and to install the Coco first. Okay, then the installation is finished, and then if we want to check whether the Coco is already installed or not, then we can, maybe I have to increase this. Then we can type Coco. Then we can see the Coco is already installed in this computer. Yeah. Then we can go to install the Haskell software. Yeah. Okay. Stand. And then we have to type this one, Coco install GSC. We copy the instruction, then we put here, and then type, and then enter. So we have to wait several minutes to install this software for the Haskell software. And then if we type yes, okay, then yes again. Okay, so this step is still ongoing. Yeah? We have to install several libraries. Yeah? Okay, then later on, if we already finished the installation, then we will have several modules. Yeah? Six modules actually. The names of the module names are GSC, and then Cocoletti, and then Haskell, Mesis, Cabal, Cocoletti. So if all of these six modules have been installed, then we can consider our installation is complete. Okay, so this program is already installed. Okay, then we will try to create a program using Haskell. So for example, if we try to clear, so we have to open our C prompt. Okay. So for example, we have to create a folder, and then we want to create a code using Notepad. We can create in this folder. Then we can write the code. So for the code, we have defined a kind of class. Then the instruction is just to print my first Haskell program. Then we create new variables, namely name. Then it's from the input of the user. And then what is the value of the name variable? And then we can print again. Hello. Okay, and then we can save this program. Then we can go back to the command line. Okay. Sorry, we have to move the folder first. Yeah? Sorry, have to go to folder of prop 1. Then we make the code. So, yes. Okay, yes, then can copy from this file and save. Okay. Okay, if we check the file is already in this folder, first program 2. And then how to compile? To compile, we can type GSC, and then the file name. Okay. Great. We have a typo and should be first. Yeah. We we miss the S letter. Yeah. So try compile again. Then this is the compilation process. Compilation process. Uh, we check what is, and then the process is already complete. Check. So inside of this folder, after we create a file, Haskell file, this one, HS, then we will create, yeah, we will create another three files, yeah. Object file, yeah, O files, and then HI file and XA. Yeah. So we can run this simple program by typing this file name, yeah, for the XA file. So you can write. Then this is the program. Yeah. So but I type my name, then the program will give this response. Okay. Okay. So that's right. So let's try again. Then the program is already run. Yeah. So this Haskell so can be run by using Visual Studio Code. So you can also use Visual Studio Code, yeah, to run this program. Uh, I think in IntelliJ IDEA also can be used, yeah, to edit the program, and then later on we can run it using Haskell. Yeah. So this is the interface. If we want to get the interface that more clearly defined, yeah, or clearly uh, 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 read, yeah, then we can so consider this idea, this IDE, yeah, Microsoft Visual Studio Code. Yeah. Okay. Let's explore for the sample some uh, code, yeah, example by using Haskell. Yeah. So so the Haskell is trying to, as I mentioned before, is try to simplify, simplify the the common uh, the common programming language. Yeah. For example, if we have a list, consists of a number of 2, 3, 5, 7, and 11, as shown in this line, then in Haskell, we also use the same one, the same syntax for initiating this list. But what is the difference? The difference is when we use the loop, the loop for example, in C or in Java, we need 4 lines actually, 1, 2, 3, and 4. But in Haskell, we can simplify all of these lines into a single line. So this loop actually is trying to uh, accumulate the 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 values of multiplication by 3, for each element. So uh, here we have a list consists of number 2, 3, 5, 7, and 11. And then here we are trying to multiply this element by 3. So 2 by 3 become 6, 3 by 3 become 9, 5 by 3 become 15, and 7 multiplied by 3 become 21, and so on. Then after we have these new values, uh, this new values, then we accumulate these numbers, accumulate number, then to get this total or this accumulation. And then after we get the accumulation value, then we can print the value. But in Haskell, so we can simplify these 4 lines into a single line. So we can just write the map, and then 3, and then a multiplication sign, and then LST means this value of this list. And then the 3 value will be multiplied one by one, to the list element, to the list element. And then we will have a new list, and then from this new list we can accumulate to get this total value. So maybe we can try this code. For example, we still use this same folder. So we can create that, and then we can type the list. And then we can total some. Okay, and then okay, save the code, then we can compile. Then we have two files, actually the first program, the previous program, and then the new one is multi. See, and then we can the code. And then this is the 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 accumulation. Yeah. Maybe if we want to print first. So return. Okay. Example, you want to print the first one. So, okay. And then we try to run the first. Then we have to do here. Okay, and then for the sample, we can create state tree. Sorry, state tree. Okay. Let's try again. Okay. Then we can print the result here. Okay, try to compile again, and then we can run again. So here we can see this is the initial list. Yeah? So we give the program a list of 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. And then this list is multiplied 1 by 1 by 3. So we will have 6, 9, 15, 21, and 33. These values are obtained from multiplication by 3, yeah, to each element. Yeah. Then we accumulate the values. Yeah. 6 plus 9 plus 15 plus 21 and plus 33. Then finally we will get this 84. Okay. So for another part uh, of the Haskell, then we can also uh, declare. We will also declare the value. So declare the type of the value. And this is how to use the instruction. So regarding the type, we use this syntax to to declare a kind of type, a kind of variables. So that copy paste this one. Okay, let's try this another code. For example, if we try to run this number, so what is the first step? First step we have to we have to compile, then numbers hs, then we can run the file. So this is the result. The length, the actual length of this value. So here we want to see one by one. Uh, want to see one by one, sample two. So uh, the the really big. Can print after this is the variables. And then what's next? Like is the power, the power of 2. This its value, really big value, and then print the really big the value of this really big, and then what is the length? Yeah? The length, the size, or the number of digit. So the number of digit of the really big of the really big. So then we can print the digit. Okay. So I hope it can make clearer. So this is the actual value. Yeah. It's very big number. Yeah. So the length of this digit uh, is is 19,729. So it's very long. I think this is one of the benefit, yeah, of Haskell. Yeah? So we can print a very big number, the very big integer. Yeah? So regarding the floating point type, so we can use this this part. Yeah? So it's instead of the using this program, also we can use the GHCI. Is an interactive Haskell, so we can directly get the value. Yeah? So how we can use this interactive tools. So for the arithmetic, we can try this expression. Uh, so be using this GHSCA. So we don't need to to write the code. We can give the instruction directly, yeah, to this interface. So, 2. Then if we want to print the expression 1, and we get the value 5. And also this Haskell also can be used to perform, yeah, another instruction such as mode 19 and 3. Then the result is 1, because mod 19 and 3 means 19 can be divided by 3, and the value is 6, and then the remaining value is 1, because 6 multiplied by 3 is 18, and then we will get the remainder become 1. Let's, for example, we increase this one 20, then reminder value should be 2. Okay. So we can implement another instruction such as this one. Oh, sorry, maybe we can also try another type of modulo. Yeah. So we can also the same thing, 20, and then modulo 3. Yeah. So, I think it's not this type. Okay. Okay. And then print x through f2. Yeah. Okay. So this is there are two methods, yeah, that can be used, yeah, to get the modulo results, yeah, either this type or this type. Yeah. So you can use one of them. Okay. Another thing, if we want to declare the type, yeah, so we can do like this, and then double semicolon, and then type, and then also n for 10, the type integer. So we can do that, and then main is to print I plus n. So we cannot do this operation, yeah, because the type is not matched. Yeah. One is the integer, and the other one is in, and the other one is integer. Yeah. So how to deal with this one? And we have to make it same. So we can just print. Then we can see the result is correct. Yeah? 40. Yeah. Okay, so this is some error, yeah, that need to be anticipated, that need to be predict. We have to consider, we have to give an attention that the type, yeah, should be same. Yeah, then the process can be completed. Yeah. So this is the Boolean, yeah, so the Boolean operation. So we can defining the basic function. Yeah? So the basic functions. Uh, okay. So here we input an integer, and then we will get a result also in integer. Yeah? Uh, for example, we input 10, yeah, 10, and then the 10 will be inputted to this function. Yeah. The function, then we will get the accumulation value, then the accumulation value will be printed. Okay. Okay, let me try this function into a file. Try to exit. We just close. Okay. Then we try to create this function. Okay, then we try to run. Okay, and then we can try to run the function. And then you can see the value is 55, 55, because we add we accumulate sum, complete the sum if the integer from 1 to n. Yeah. So if maybe we try to use smaller numbers. Sorry. File, then get the functions. 15, yeah. 15 means it started from plus 0, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, then plus 4, plus 5, right? So 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 4 is 10, and then 10 plus 5 is 15. Okay, so this is the value is 15. So here we can see some tutorial. Some tutorial is actually is a function, yeah, it's function, and then receive the numbers of loops, yeah, 5. Then we can get the total the accumulation of this value. Okay, I think that's all for today. This just introduction how to use the Haskell. Yeah. As we can see, maybe I think that we have to learn a new new syntax, but actually the aims of the Haskell is to simplify, simplify the common programming language, such as Java, such as C++, and then try to make maybe the program is similar with sentence or with a paragraph, or very common paragraph or sentence. Then finally we can find the program is should be easier compared with the C++ or Java. Okay, any questions for today? Yeah.
Sir, I would like to ask, so for the following week, we are going to use the software Coco Latte, or are we still going to use IntelliJ, sir?
Okay, if there's no any question, I hope you can install the Haskell in your computer. I think the step is simple. So, I have demonstrated how to install the Haskell in the computer, and then you can try to run maybe a simple code of the Haskell. Okay, I think that's all for today. And then hopefully we can see you next week. Yeah, because I'm sorry I cannot conduct the offline session for today because I have to manage conference. Yeah, also. Okay, that's all. See you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you, sir.
Sure.
Yeah.